Good morning, students. I hope you all are fit and fine. Let's start a new chapter in social study, chapter 12, Indian literature. So, let's begin. Please read me a story for this book. A Jadoo said to a boy. So, a boy replied, "Do you like animal stories?" "Yes, I really enjoy when they talk, when they laugh, and when they act like humans." Now, the next page and your topic is Panchtatra. So, the word Panchtatra is derived from a Sanskrit word Panch, which means five, and Tatra, which means principle. So, thus, Panchtatra means five principles. Panchtatra is a collection of animals, fables arranged in the form of series or stories. So, Panchtatra is an ancient Indian collection of animal fables in Sanskrit and arranged within a framed story. Just like the jackal who saved the lion, unity is strength, the foolish donkey are the Panchtatra stories. So, it was written 2000 years back but is still famous and relevant because of the moral values and knowledge in it. It consists of 87 stories, and every story has a moral value hidden in it. And Vishnu Sharma wrote these stories. They are really very interesting stories. Panchtatra has been translated in 57 languages. Okay? Now, talking about next topic, Jatak tales. So, the Jatak tales are short educational tales. They have stories concerning the previous births of Gautam Buddha in both animals and human forms. Just like elephant story, just greed does not pay, and Prince Maker. Okay? These moral tales were written in 4th century and are based on the life of Gautam Buddha. These are a collection of about 550 fables. Every fable exhibits some virtue where Buddha may appear in it as a king, as a god, or as an elephant. These are several translations of these Jatak tales in different languages. Now, the next topic, Indian epic. So, an epic is a long poem narrating the deeds of some heroic figures of the past, like Ramayana and Mahabharata are two major Indian epics. So, firstly, we are talking about Ramayana. So, Ramayana is an ancient Indian epic composed by Hindu sage Valmiki. The great epic is composed of rhyming couplets called shlokas. It consists of about 24,000 verses divided into 7 kanats. These kanats divide or depict the duties of an ideal father, ideal son, ideal wife, and an ideal brother. So, the name of these epic narrates the life of Lord Ramchandra, the divine prince of Koshala kingdom, and his banishment from the kingdom of his father, King Dashrath, his journey across the forest with his wife Sita and younger brother Lakshman. It also describes the kidnapping of Sita by Ravan, the demon king of Lanka. It eventually resulted in the war between Lord Ram and Ravan, in which Ravan was killed. Later, Lord Ram came back to Ayodhya and was crowned to be the king. So, Ramayana has been translated into many languages by different writers. This epic gives us moral lesson that helps us become better human beings. It is a secret text. Okay? Now, talking about Mahabharata. So, Mahabharata was narrated by the sage Ved Vyas, and Lord Ganesh wrote it down. It is the longest epic consisting of over 100,000 shloks and about 1.8 million words in total. It is 4 times the length of Ramayana. So Mahabharata narrates the Kurukshetra war between the Pandavas and the Kauravas. They were the son of two brothers, King Pandu and King Dhritarashtra. Pandu had 5 sons, Yudhishthira, Arjun, Bhim, Nakul and Sahadev, while Dhritarashtra had 100 sons. The war between the brothers was one of the bloodiest wars ever fought in history. Lord Krishna became the charioteer of Arjun. The teachings given by Lord Krishna to Arjun during the war were compiled in the Bhagavad Gita. Okay, students, let's recap. Panchtatra is an Indian collection of fables arranged in the form of stories. Jatak tales are short and educational tales from the Jataks. Next, an epic is a long poem narrating the deeds of some heroic figures of the past. Ramayana is an ancient Indian epic composed by the Hindu sage Valmiki. Mahabharata is the longest epic known and written so far. Okay, students, I hope you all understood very well. We will meet you in next class. Thank you. Bye, children.